slurp up spoonfuls of creamy vegan miso ramen. It's warm and cozy and easier to make than you think in just 20 minutes. You can serve it up as is or cover it with all your favorite ramen toppings. You only need simple ingredients to make it. Let's do it! Start by boiling your noodles till they're tender. When the noodles are done cooking, toss them with a little bit of sesame or olive oil just to keep them from sticking together. You can set these aside for now. While the noodles cook, you're going to prep all your veggies so that they're ready to go. Dice up your carrots, and then get ready to make the super easy ginger garlic paste. Peel your cloves of garlic, and then use a spoon to peel the skin off of your ginger. Toss the ginger and garlic into your blender, and you're ready to puree. Oh, whoops, I forgot about the water. So add a splash of water, then blend. Look at that creamy puree. Add water to a pan along with the puree, some broth cubes, miso, carrots, and shiitake mushrooms. Mix it together and bring it to a boil until those carrots turn nice and tender. When the veggies are tender, add plenty of soy milk for a rich, creamy broth. Now spoon the broth over your ramen noodles and you are ready to eat. You can serve this up as is or add your favorite ramen toppings. As you can see here, I'm serving this up with corn, silken tofu, green onions, and baby bok choy. But feel free to raid your fridge and freezer for toppings to add to your own bowl of creamy vegan ramen. I hope that this video answers all of your questions about how to make creamy vegan miso ramen. If you have any questions I didn't address, feel free to drop a comment. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to rate and subscribe. Happy cooking!